Hello everyone, today is Saturday the 9th of March, and when I woke up this morning I was 64.1 kilo, meaning a big increase since yesterday. Because I had a massive insomnia, I barely slept a few hours, and it is Saturday. I went back to bed, and when I woke up again I weighed myself and I was 63.55 kilo, which is a net loss of 50 grams since yesterday. So you see how it goes up and down and up and down. Well, you never know what you're gonna get. I was too early and probably hadn't fully digested my last meal since yesterday. Let's take a look at the numbers. So in terms of calories, we are at 2,302 calories for yesterday. It is pretty high. 108.8 grams of protein, very good. And I walked 11,040 steps, so 7.7 kilometers. Very good walk. It wasn't super long, but it was just what I needed yesterday. I broke my fast with my shake in the morning, 10:30. And a few hours later, I had my salad in the jar. I poured it in a burrito wrap. The burrito never worked. It never actually burritoed, but I still had the wrap on top of my plate and it was really good. The problem is I ate it very close to my walk and I felt very heavy during this walk. So that burrito that I ate was really good. Well, burrito, it kind of, it crashed. It wasn't really like a burrito, but anyways, it tasted really good. The only thing is I ate it really close to walking, and now I'm feeling the effect of it. It's tough. That's why fasting sometimes is really nice, because you feel light. Like now, I'm not the lightest. I'm feeling it's heavy. So do time well your meals if you're going to train. If you're going to walk. Usually I train fasted in the morning, but the gym doesn't open early enough and it's very far, so it wouldn't be possible for now, for the month of March. But in April things are going to change, and yeah, I'll be able to train earlier. So fasted, then I'll eat, and then I'll go for walks around lunch break, and that way I'll have digested my breakfast. When you are breaking your fast, eating a big meal, a heavy meal with, not big, but just a lot of fiber, like a lot of vegetables in this meal, the cheese, the wrap, that's pretty heavy. Just make sure it's not just before you start doing some kind of physical activity. I love to train fasted, but it's not always possible, so depending on the schedules. So as soon as I can go back to training in the morning and then eating breakfast after my training, and then going for a walk at lunch break and then eating lunch after that walk, it's going to be amazing. But that's not before April. Gym, I had a little cafe at the beach. It was gorgeous. I worked from there. It was really pleasant. And the gym session was an upper body session. I gave myself 6 on 10 because it was I put a lot of effort in it. And for the past maybe 2 weeks, I've been kind of, with my training, I've been, going through the motion, but not necessarily giving my best. A lot of effort, and yesterday was really good. So I'm very happy about that. And I had my last meal around 6, finished at 7. Prawns, shrimps in a beer and garlic sauce with sauteed potatoes, sauteed with butter. Had some cheese, crackers, 2 squares of chocolate, and a little commercial croissant, again, with muesli that I weighed, so I know exactly how much I consumed. So I want to touch base on this. You might think, oh, well, you've been eating the little croissant like not every night, but pretty regularly. What's going on? Like, what's the deal with them? Well, I don't live alone. My partner does eat them because he's on a bulk. He's not on a weight loss journey like me. So for him, a little croissant, it goes really fast, and it's a great way to hike up his calories. We're exactly on the contrary trajectory. Okay, we have opposite goals, which is a bit hard to deal with sometimes, but it's okay. So it is harder when you are, depending on your situation, you might be on your own and that's great for you, or not, or you might have children. That's hard because what they eat is different than you. You have to taste their food, so that's a bit more. And you have a partner who is not at all on a diet and has his little stash of everything in the cupboard. So that's my reality, and that's okay. Obviously, it would be a lot easier if that was not in the cupboard, but it is. So that's sometimes I have issues with not grabbing such an easy and quick snack after my meal, especially on a Friday night. And I was hungry yesterday. if if you're thinking my weight loss is kind of stagnating, I've been in the 63, 64 for a long time. That's true, but it's good because if you look at the total calories lately, I've been really hiking it up and I'm eating more. I'm not in a calorie deficit always. So my body is really, really comfortable where it is, which is good because I'm stabilizing my weight loss. Next week, so we're Saturday, so Monday, I'll have a new meal prep with 3 meals for every day. And I will really give it a good 2 weeks, 3 weeks of petite calories method before leaving the 31st of March, when I'm going to find it very hard to maintain routine. So I don't have a deadline for losing weight. Obviously these vlogs are I won't be able to do them forever. So if I could actually reach my goal, that would be great. But I don't have a deadline. Like I don't have a holiday planned in May or anything like that. And I actually do have a week at the beach, but I could not care less. Like that's not the reason why I am on the diet at the moment. If it's your reason, that's great. For me personally, that's not motivating anything. It's not giving me any motivation. It's simply a matter of where I'm going to be. Am I going to fly a lot? Am I going to move a lot? Am I going to find a gym? That's my reality. So that's it for today. I'm looking forward to the next week. It's going to be a great petite calories week. It's going to help my weight loss start again pretty much. So we'll see a little stagnation, and then hopefully in the next 2-3 weeks we'll see it go down. I will see you tomorrow for feedback on today. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.